How to select viral worthy photo quickly using Aftershoot AI for your Instagram. First, you want to click on create album and create the album, select all the photos which you think is potentially good for you to upload on your Instagram. Once you do that, the album will be created over here like this. Then you can select the album in which you imported your photos and then make sure you're in the cull section at the top. Once you're over here, click on start AI culling, and from here make sure something else is selected, or if you have like a certain genre of photo, you can select that genre for better result. And from here, like how many photos do you want to be selected? If you want a lot, you can go to more. If you just want a few, then you can go to extreme. But I will go for standard. It's in the middle. And click on customize. Make sure all three of this is selected and make sure it's on strict. Now, if you want some of the less okay photo to be selected as well, then go to moderate. But I would suggest you to go strict if you want to upload the utmost highest quality images. Click on start cull. And out of all these images from your album, it's going to select the best ones. It's that simple. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.